You getting everything set up, Rigel? You getting everything set up for the chickens? We're out by the coop again. What's going on?
Oh, we're putting a lot of finishing touches on there. We gotta get the automatic chicken door on there. We gotta get some of this fence tightened up. We gotta get the light installed, the bedding down. What else we got? That's pretty much it. Gotta get the feeders and the water set up because we're picking up our chickens today. Rigel's helping out quite a bit. Show it all he's doing over there.
What you doing? Taking everything out, pouring it all over the place? Yeah, thank you. Putting in the solar panel automatic door, which is pretty sweet. Pretty excited about this one. Oh, just about. There you go.
Maybe. All right. I gotta go.
Whoa! Cool, dude.
What do you think? You like it?
That's awesome. It's a little slower than I thought it was gonna be, but I guess that's good.
Yeah.
Cool. That's awesome.
All right, we got the light installed. Does it work?
No.
No. Solar panel's probably not charged enough, and we just put it on.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
So
We'll try it.
we gotta wait for the solar go-go juice.
You gonna help him spread those around, Rigel? One, two, three. Look how mellow they are. Four. What do you think, Rigel? Hi, little fellas. Well, little ladies, I should say. Hi, ladies. We got more coming. You guys gotta scoozy on in. What do you think? What do you think of the chickens? Come on. Come on, move your booties. It's pretty exciting, isn't it? Last one. There's 15 of them. My heart's happy. Hello, ladies. We got their little food thing right there. They got a way out on the other side. What do you think, Raj? They might be finding a way out right now. One of them made their way out. Go ahead, go on down.
The ramp's pretty sketchy though.
Yeah, we were gonna redo the ramp, but hopefully they don't slide down it. Come on out, ladies. It's a little rainy. We should have just done some steps down. Here we go. Look at that neck though. Sorry about the videography. I'm holding Rigel back and also filming. Yay! There we go! Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Oh. FYI, we're in our yard, so we're not on the street. Because you're so cute. Got no light. Nuh-uh. Did you already see that?
Yeah.
Wow! We got our first egg!
We got an egg. We got an egg.
That's exciting. We got another one!
We got an egg.
We got 2 eggs! Alright, we got 2 eggs.
Woo woo!
Wow, that's exciting!
What do you think, Raiji? We got an egg.
I'm gonna put it in my pocket. Don't let me smash it.
We got an
Yay!
egg. That's the way to wrap the vlog. Right?
That is the way to wrap the vlog. That's so exciting. Alright, so we got beautiful chickens. They're beautiful. They're having a good time. Got their feeder and then their water. We ordered a couple waters that look like the same exact as the feeders, but they have not shown up. They first delivered the wrong thing and now they're delayed. But the chickens seem to be happy. Happy little ladies out there.
No.
What do you think, Bridie?
Mwah.
Okay, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Wait, bye-bye.
Make your face. Ooh.
He's got his hand in the thing. He's not gonna. Okay, bye.